Hello all, this is Swetha from Guindy Times, which is an official magazine page of CEG, ACTech and SAP. Here we have an Intern 4.0. We have the two interns, namely L.Lasithasree from Geoinformatics Department, final year, and Dharshana from Geoinformatics Department, final year. Hello, Akas.
Hi.
Hello. Yeah.
Okay.
So hello all, I'm L.Lasithasree and I'm a final year student pursuing geoinformatics. So I and Dharshana had together worked as a ISRO interns.
Yes, my name is Dharshana and currently I'm pursuing final year BE Geoinformatics at CEG and University. So as Lasitha said, we did as ISRO interns for a period of 3 months at RRSC Bangalore.
Okay, that's great. How do you get to know about the ISRO intern, Akka?
Okay, so basically we got to know about internships through our seniors. So the internship hunt started off with the motivation given by our seniors. Our purple tag and orange tag seniors conducted meets regarding the availability of internships. So those meets gave us a clear insights about the various opportunities available in remote sensing and GIS sectors. It also helped us to find out an internship that perfectly suited our skills and interests. So with their advices, with our senior suggestions, we started looking for internships. And finally, that's how our internship journey started.
Great, Akka.
Since the first year, we have been seeing our seniors because they have been working as interns in ISRO-related institutes and other corporates too. Our college faculties also suggested some good institutes and corporates for doing an internship. So we think that all these things help us to explore about internship opportunities.
Thank you, Akka. How did you apply for this internship, Akka?
We started this application process, I think in the month of November to December 2020 itself. And we nearly applied for 10 research institutes and corporates. And we got a positive reply from RRC South, ISRO, in the month of March 2021. So this application process involves identifying the research institutes related to remote sensing and GIS. And also after identifying, you can go to their official websites and collect their email IDs for mailing. So after this process, you can mail them with a proper CV and cover letter. So this is how we did.
So yes, like as how Lasitha explained the application process in detail. So we started off by collecting the email ID of professors from various research institutes, and we mailed our CV and our cover letter along with it. So initially we found the process to be a little bit tedious, but later on we were able to manage it with ease. Finally, after applying for various research institutions, we finally got a very positive reply from RRSC ISRO, and we both ourselves, Lasitha and myself, was very overwhelmed when we got this opportunity to work as ISRO interns.
Okay, this info will definitely help your juniors, I think so. In your opinion, what are the skills an ISRO intern should develop and to have it?
Okay, so now talking about the skills, it is actually important to know GIS softwares like ArcGIS and QGIS. It is important to have hands-on experiences in these softwares. It is good that if we know any programming languages like R and Python, so we can actually improve our working on mini projects. We both did a few mini projects. So mini projects actually serve to progress in any internship. So thus our mini projects helped us to progress our internships with ease.
Yeah. Since our project is based on remote sensing and GIS, this required basic concepts and understanding of remote sensing and GIS, as well as said by Dharshana, we working on mini projects can help us better to do the internships. So other than that, software skills like ArcGIS, QGIS, and any other remote sensing and GIS software is also fine. So learning Python and R coding can also help. So you can incorporate this with the machine learning, and this can enhance your project very well.
Okay, if you were allowed to tell us what was the project you were working?
Yeah, sure. We were working on a project of estimating the above ground biomass using remote sensing and GIS. our internship was completely online. So we used open source software like QGIS and Snap. And data also, we downloaded open source satellite data. And our project topic was, since it was a biomass estimation. So this topic is a bit trending nowadays in the agriculture and forestry studies. So this biomass has its own significance. This can help to comprehend the climate changes and carbon cycle and carbon stock quantification. So there is always a necessity to study and research about biomass.
Yes, so as explained by Lasithasree, our project was above ground biomass estimation. So biomass estimation is highly important in this contemporary scenario because it plays a vital role in forest management studies and helps in understanding the climate change and carbon cycle. So the conventional method of estimating biomass actually involves ground truth. But since ours was an online internship, we didn't get a chance to go for ground truth. So that was a limitation in our project. So this is how we did our project.
Okay, that was a very amazing project. I have ever heard that. Did this internship provide you with the opportunity to develop your skills and knowledge?
Yes, certainly it helped a lot to develop our skills. Apart from technical skills, we learned many other necessary skills from this ISRO internship. To be frank, this internship enkindled our remote sensing and GIS tech skills and knowledge. So it motivated us to work more. It encouraged us to experiment new things, and we totally enjoyed our internship period also.
It was a great platform for us to improve our technical skills. So to be honest, this internship actually molded us in a great manner.
Okay, what were the challenging parts in your internship?
Speak about the challenges. The first challenge we were facing was this internship was completely online. We never did an internship in online since this is our first internship. So this was online. So it was completely new to us. We didn't know how to handle this kind of online internship. It was initially difficult, but we managed to cope up with it, and we finally completed the internship. And also the other challenge was I and Dharshana were in different places. So we couldn't work together. So if we work together in offline, so I think the project would have more easier and we would have completed soon, we thought. So
Yes.
this, and also this biomass estimation is kind of a trending in agriculture and forestry studies. We hardly had few research papers for this topic, and so that's a kind of difficult thing for us to do. So we took guidance from our faculty members and seniors, mainly Orange Tech seniors helped us a lot. And our guide from ISRO, he also helped us a lot. And we had conference calls and meets. So that's how we carried out the internship.
Yes, so as explained by Lasita, since it was an online internship, we faced a lot of technical difficulties at the initial stages. But with the support of our faculty members and with the support of our seniors, we were able to manage the difficulties and obstacles, and we were finally successful, and we were able to finally complete our project successfully. So our guide, Dr. S. Ramasubramaniam, was also very friendly to us, was very student friendly, helped us in a lot way, and thus we were able to complete the project faster. So with all their efforts and with our efforts, we were finally able to complete the project successfully.
We are also planning to extend our project. So we are exploring it, and we are going to publish it as also as a paper.
Okay, that's great. Virtual mode is a challenging part as all of us face it in this pandemic year. Okay, could you please share your experience in this internship?
Yeah, sure. So overall, we had a wonderful and lovely experience working as ISRO interns. We learned many things, many new things. Apart from technical skills, as I said in the beginning, we learned many skills that need to be incorporated in us to come out as a good remote sensing engineer. So yeah, one thing that we missed was that the in-person internship experience, since it was an online internship, we were not actually able to experience the ISRO work atmosphere. That one thing is that we missed. Other than that, we had nice time working with our project. Even our guide was very friendly. He kept on motivating us. His encouraging words and strong support pushed us forward and helped us to overcome all the difficulties.
In spite of all the difficulties and challenges we managed to complete, we are very happy that we learned many new things and skills. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, as she said, we are also planning to extend our project work and explore more on forest management studies. So if our project comes out successfully, we are also planning to publish it as a journal paper, as Lasitha said.
Congrats, Akka, for that. What are your views on Intern Diaries, Akka?
Yeah, Intern Diaries has always been an informative interview series. I hope all the students watching this Intern Diaries will be highly benefited. I think especially the juniors. And kudos to the GT's interviews team for bringing out such a informative series.
Yes, Guindy Times is doing a tremendous job by informating everyone with this interview series. So this kind of initiative will definitely help the students. It will encourage the students and motivate the students to work more and also to explore more.
That's great, Akka. Thank you for your words. It was an amazing session for me. I have learned so many things. Like me, so many your juniors also learned from this Intern Diaries, I think so. Thank you for your words, Akka. Great. Have a great job.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was pleasure talking to you as well.
Yeah, we both had a nice time talking to you.
Thank you, Akka.